Why did Mimikyu refuse to fight Metagross at the gym? Because he heard Metagross was known to really steal the show. And now, let us look at 11 critical differences between the two. Let's compare the differences between Mimikyu versus Metagross in the Pokemon world. Difference 1. Mimikyu and Metagross belong to different types of Pokemon. Mimikyu is a ghost fairy type Pokemon, which makes it immune to certain types of attacks like normal and dragon, but it's vulnerable to ghost and steel attacks. On the contrary, Metagross is a steel psychic type Pokemon, resistant to rock, steel, psychic, fairy, ice, flying, normal and grass type attacks, but weak against dark, ground, ghost and fire type moves. Difference 2. Metagross and Mimikyu have different abilities. Mimikyu has a special ability called Disguise, which allows it to take one physical attack without any damage. On the other hand, Metagross's abilities include Clear Body, which prevents its stats from being lowered, and Light Metal, which decreases its weight to reduce the damage it takes from moves that are dependent on the Pokemon's weight. Difference 3. They also vary in evolution. Metagross has a 3-stage evolution line, Beldum, Metang, Metagross, whereas Mimikyu doesn't evolve. Difference 4. Mimikyu and Metagross have different base stat totals. Mimikyu's base stats total up to 476, while Metagross, being a pseudo-legendary Pokemon, has a higher total base stats of 600. Difference 5. Metagross has the ability to Mega Evolve into Mega Metagross, while Mimikyu doesn't have this capability. Mega Evolution is a temporary transformation that gives the Pokemon increased stats and sometimes new abilities or moves. Difference 6. Mimikyu and Metagross stand on different footing when it comes to facing each other in battle. Due to its steel typing, Metagross is super effective against Mimikyu and can easily take down the ghost fairy type Pokemon. Difference 7. Appearance and design-wise, the two Pokemon couldn't be more different. Metagross is a massive quadruped steel creature with a large cross on its face, whereas Mimikyu is a small ghost-like creature that hides under an old Pikachu rag. Difference 8. Mimikyu has a natural move called Let's Snuggle Forever, a fairy-type Z move which can be activated only if Mimikyu knows Play Rough, and holds the item Mimikyu Z. In comparison, Metagross has its signature move, Meteor Mash, a steel-type move which has a chance of raising Metagross's attack. Difference 9. Matter of region. Metagross was first introduced in Generation 3 games originating from the Hoenn region, while Mimikyu came into light in Generation 7 from the Alola region. Difference 10. As for gender, Metagross is a genderless Pokemon, meaning it doesn't have a male or female classification, whereas Mimikyu has both male and female variants. Difference 11. Both Pokemon have different weights as well. Mimikyu weighs much lighter, around 1.4 pounds, compared to Metagross, which tops the scale at a massive 1,212.5 pounds. This difference in weight can influence some battle mechanics.